Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this amazing infographic, and this is a four-step infographic. So let me show you how to make it. First of all, go to format background and give it a gradient. I'm using a light blue and white combination to make the gradient. Close the format background and go to shapes and insert a rounded corner rectangle. Make it fully rounded, duplicate it. You're gonna place them side by side, select both of them, change the colors and remove their outlines. Go to format shape and change the color of the one of the shape to one of the gradient colors. So go to format like shadow. You're gonna give it a shadow of this, and there you go. Change the shadow's color to white and increase its size and blur. There you go. Change the shadow, increase the size and change the angle. That's it. Now the next thing you're gonna do is select the other shape and change its color to the same one of the colors of the gradient. Give it shadow. You're gonna increase its size and transparency. There you go. Now you're gonna place it in the background of the first shape, and you're gonna select both of them and group them by pressing Ctrl G. You're gonna duplicate the shape about 4 times and place them side by side, something like this, with equal gap. Select all of them and arrange them vertically and horizontally. Now you're gonna duplicate the shape and you're gonna go to change the shape and select circle and place it down of this rounded corner rectangle. Place those circles by duplicating them on each of the rounded corner rectangle, and you're gonna place them in middle by arranging them horizontally and vertically. There you go. And you're gonna change their colors. For the first one I'm gonna use green, second one I'm gonna use orange, and for the third one I'm gonna use red, and for the fourth one I'm gonna use pink color. Now you're gonna insert another rounded corner rectangle, but make it really thick, and you're gonna put it on the shape, remove its outline, and send the circle onto the forward side. You're gonna change its color to pink, and you're gonna give it some shadow, the first shadow. And the next thing you're gonna do is go to insert tab and insert another circle. Remove its line, give a gradient, increase the angle of the gradient, and give it some shadow, increase its transparency, and let's increase the size and the blur too. Also increase the distance, place it onto the larger circle, adjust its size, and there you go. Now what you're gonna do next is increase its size and blur and angle, increase its transparency really much, and you're gonna go to format shape and increase the size and blur. Go to format shape and you're gonna give it some more shadow by increasing its distance. There you go. So that was all you had to do with the circle. Now you're gonna duplicate it. First, let's increase the size and the blur. Duplicate it and place that one in the circles in each of the shapes. Add just them, and there you go. Duplicate the rectangle, rounded corner rectangle line, and you're gonna place it on each of the shape, and you're gonna send it to the back. Something like this. You're gonna add your text, change the colors, and so this is the final result. If you like the video, be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in another video with more amazing stuff like this.